So, point number 2. The arrangement of microspore is in tetrad is generally tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means it is like this way. Okay. Now, in megasporogenesis, the arrangement of megaspore in tetrad is commonly linear. So this is a difference, students. In megasporogenesis, it is tetrahedral, whereas in megasporogenesis, it is linear. Linear is in same line. Now, going further with point number 3, it is all the 4 microspores of a spore tetrad are functional. This is an important point. Note this down that in microsporogenesis, all the 4 spores formed in a tetrad are functional, whereas in megasporogenesis, only 1 megaspore of the spore tetrad is functional. Note this down, students. This is important. Now, lastly, in microsporogenesis is found inside of a microsporangium. Students, where is it found? It is found in microsporangium, whereas this megasporogenesis is found in megasporangium. And lastly, a large number of microspore mother cells are functional in microsporangium, whereas generally only single cell or single megasporangium mother cell is functional in megasporangium. So students, this is your difference and it covers all these 3 points. Now you can categorize it in this manner. Okay, so make 3 columns. One says categories, one for microsporogenesis and one for megasporogenesis. Both these processes are formation of microspores and megaspores. Arrangement of microsporangium is in tetrad and generally tetrahedral, whereas in megasporogenesis it is a tetrad and commonly linear. Now, spores and functionality. All the 4 spores formed in microsporogenesis are functional, whereas there is only 1 spore formed that is functional. And lastly, location. It is located inside a microsporangium, whereas megasporogenesis is located inside megasporangium. So students, this is your question 2 done in 2 different ways. Okay.